Now let us go to a very current issue, and that is the burial of Mr. Marcos in the libingan ng Bayani. Do you think Mr. Marcos should be buried in the libingan ng mga Bayani?
Palagay ko pwede basta baguhin ang pangalan. Libingan ng mga Bayani at iba pa. At doon ilibang si Marcos sa parte ng iba pa. Hindi doon sa libingan ng mga Bayani. So, in other words, we will be making a mockery of that cemetery for heroes. Kung pati ang tao tulad ni Mr. Marcos ay ilibing doon. Maganda na lang kamabasa ko kanina that the Supreme Court is extending the ban pa pala because they're siguro in-scrutinizing na deeply how to go about it. But my take on that is Marcos does not deserve to be buried there. And my suggestion, Winnie, is that he should be buried in Paway or, Sarat, wherever in Ilocos Norte, where he is adored by the people.
Don't you have any influence on Mr. Duterte? Doesn't your opinion count with him?
No.
Or does Coco share your opinion?
I have not talked to either Coco or Duterte.
Si Amy apparently recently asked the people for forgiveness.
Yes.
For the sins of Marcos. What do you think was the basis of, was caused that situation?
Siguro yung mga pananalita nang gagaling sa mga taong opposing the burial, they did not even ask for forgiveness. Why should we allow that? So siguro it's a way of saying, okay, you forgive my father. It's a way of parang easing the opposition.
So you think na yung sinabi ni Amy yan para pwede malibing sa libingan?